Not every song has the power to surpass the boundary of time, culture, and borders like Bob Marley's Redemption Song. This song was more than music itself. It's a powerful cry for freedom and strength. But what inspired this song? Why did Bob drop the reggae beat he was known for and gave us this raw acoustic masterpiece? Let's look at the story behind Redemption Song, the struggle that shaped it, and the legacy of the powerful message. The late 1970s was a troublesome time for Bob Marley and the world at large. In Jamaica, political wars spiraled out of control. It was at an all-time high. Bob always found himself in the middle of the situation. He was the voice of unity and resistance. He was the voice of the people. In 1976, they tried to kill Bob, but he survived that attempt on his life. After that, Bob took his message of peace to the global stage. He took his preachings to the world. But by 1979, Bob had faced another problem: his health.
Did you stop fighting?
No, but I was at home with my people, so I didn't need to be fighting no more, right? I was in the camp, and there was no war.
What is your special message?
Truth, peace, and love, and music, you know.
While recording his final album, Uprising, Bob was diagnosed with cancer. Imagine surviving gunshots to then be diagnosed with cancer. Bob knew his time was limited, so he began to reflect deeply on his life and legacy. Out of this reflection came Redemption Song.
Redemption songs. Redemption songs.
The lyrics of Redemption Song comes directly from a speech by the great Jamaican activist and national hero, Marcus Garvey. At that time, Garvey was the leader of the Pan-African movement, and he famously said, and I quote, "Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds." Garvey's words touched the soul of Bob, and Bob took those words and wove them into the fabric of that song, creating a universal anthem for liberation, not just physical oppression, but from mental and emotional. He always believed in self-liberation, more so as he is now faced with his own mortality. He once said, "How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look?" When you look at it, the song was not just about Bob, it was about all of us. Unlike most of Bob Marley's music, Redemption Song is completely acoustic. No bass line, no drums, just Bob and his guitar. That raw acoustic vibe, it's not just something like that. Bob do it to keep it simple, so the lyrics could hit you. Remember, Bob also said, when music hits, you feel no pain. In an interview, Bob said, "The song came from my heart. It's not about reggae, it's about the people hearing the words and feeling the truth." The simplicity of the melody highlighted the depths of the lyrics. Every word, every chord felt like a call of action, a reminder that freedom starts within. Since its release in the 1980s, Redemption Song has become one of the most played anthems of hope and resistance. It has been covered by countless artists, from Stevie Wonder to Rihanna, and is often heard at protests and rallies for human rights. Each cover of the song is proof of its universal appeal. It doesn't belong to one culture or one movement. It belongs to everyone seeking justice and freedom. Bob's legacy lives on, not just through his music, but through the millions of people he inspired to stand up, to think critically, and to free their minds. In many ways, Redemption Song was Bob's final message to the world. It's a reminder that even when faced with our greatest struggles, we have the power to rise above and create change. Bob Marley passed away in 1981, but his music remains as powerful as ever. Redemption Song is more than just a farewell. In all honesty, it's a blueprint for a better world. What does Redemption Song mean to you? How has it inspired you in your own life? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more story behind the music that moves us. And remember, as Bob said, don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. Until next time, stay inspired.